Hey there, Centos here. Let's celebrate Martin Luther King Jr. Day with a craft using a paper plate, Centos markers and gel pens, a circle of white cardstock, template of a hand, a glue stick, scissors, and flesh-toned construction paper. First, grab your circle of cardstock and your green and blue markers and start coloring in the earth. Did you know that there's over 8 billion people on planet Earth and they're all unique, just like you? When you're done coloring in your world, take your gel pen and your hand template and trace out a hand on each of the different colors. And then cut them out just like this. Once all of your hands are cut out, start gluing them and the earth to the paper plate. Put the earth in the middle and each of the hands around the outside, reaching towards the earth like this. As we create our craft, let's remember the dream of Martin Luther King Jr., a world filled with love, equality, and friendship. Remember that together we can change the world. We here at Centos love and appreciate each and every one of you and hope you give this craft a try. Have fun!